We're here today in this residential property where a homeowner has had a flood and brought in a restoration contractor who actually failed to remove all of the water, and because of that it created an environment for mold to grow. And it's very detailed work to clean this volume of mold out of an environment like this with these detailed nooks and crannies. Dry ice blasting, for that reason, is the very best solution that we can present to this homeowner. Mold has to be removed. It can't be cleaned in place, it can't be killed in place. It maintains all its allergenic properties and all its toxins, and so it has to actually be physically removed. The dry ice will help us with that. It'll create that abrasive step that we need to remove it entirely. And the dry ice is useful because it's incredibly detailed. It'll reach to places that we can't reach with sandpaper or other abrasive techniques. And it does three things primarily that we're looking for. Number one is it creates an impact. The dry ice actually flies through the wand at the end of the hose, and it will hit the substrate and the adherent, in this case mold. That helps to release some of the mold straight away. The second thing it does, it makes it very, very cold. It'll embrittle whatever it hits, and that contraction of the mold will actually start to release it from the surface of the wood. And the last thing is the dry ice expands. It'll grow 800 times its original size as it turns from a solid directly to a gas with no liquid state, and it will blow the mold from the surface and cause it to fall to the ground. We'll then be able to clean it up, HEPA-Vac it from the ground. It's a very clean, very detailed way of removing this mold and bringing this home back to what it should be.